Hi guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing the brand new iPhone 12 regular version in white. So I just got this package today and I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of it, and I'll also be doing a size comparison of a couple of different iPhone models that I have on hand to give a good description and good size description of what the iPhone 12 looks like. So first we have some wrapping. Hopefully you guys can't see all those serial numbers. Okay, this is very satisfying. Okay. And now we have this. That was actually not as satisfying. It wasn't as finely milled as I thought it would be. The box is super thin this time. Comes with a cutout for the camera. And here is the iPhone 12. And it comes with this front. It's a little bit different than the older versions, how they used to come with a clear film. Now it's a paper film. Maybe that's part of the eco-friendly vibe that they're pushing this year. And then you have a little pouch here that contains what it seems to be like a SIM card pokey thing. And then classic Apple sticker. And basically just some warranty instructions. Yep. Designed by Apple in California. And then the USB-C to Lightning charger. So I'm just going to show you guys what the big hubbub is about. So typically Apple comes with, let me go grab it. So this is the little device that most people are complaining about it not coming with. So this is a USB-C port. I've got this with my iPad Pro, and basically you just connect this one here, and it'll go in here, and it'll charge your phone with the lightning cable. So this is the white version. I quite like it, and I have a white iPhone XR to compare it with. So you can see that, I don't know if you can tell, but this one is slightly more orange. Let me adjust my camera settings to kind of get a better look at that. Give me 1 second. Let me adjust my camera settings to get a better look at the contrast here. I adjusted the settings a little bit, so you can kind of see that this one is a little bit more white than the iPhone 12. This is an XR, and this is the 12. It's a little bit more blush white, I would say, a little bit more champagne. I wouldn't go so far if you just hold it up. Normally, it's really just white. The moment of truth peels right off, and this is the iPhone 12. Alright, so I grabbed an iPhone XR, an iPhone 11, and now I have the iPhone 12 here, and I'm just going to power this on. It's loading. Yeah, so the sizes are almost identical. I think if I'm going to stack this one on top of this one, these are almost exact. I think they're exactly the same size, the XR. And now I'm going to put the 12 on top of this one. The 12 is a little bit smaller than the iPhone 11, if you can see here. It's just, if you can take a look, it's just a touch smaller, I think. Mainly because of the rounded bezels. Let me just adjust the camera. I don't know if you can tell, it's really, really minuscule. I don't think anyone will be able to tell at all. Let's swipe up. So I'm an English speaker from the United States. Quick start. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this phone to sign in and set up. So this is actually my phone. I had to blur out my email, but I'm going to continue with this phone. And I got to hold my new phone up to the camera. Interesting. So as you can see, I took a picture of this circle. I have to enter the passcode of my other phone. Let me just take it out real quick. And that's all you have to do. And it says it's going to take a few minutes. So basically it just had me set up some Face ID stuff, which I took it away from. Agree to the terms and conditions, and it said it's going to take around 25 to 35 minutes to set up my iPhone. One thing I will know while I'm using this phone, it's so sharp. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. Alright, so now it's transferring my data. So as you can see in this side by side, I'm not sure if you can tell, but the XR is just a smidgen, this is not focusing now, it's just a smidgen bigger. I think it's mainly because of the rounded edges, but as you can see, this bezel is a lot thinner. So actually the screen size is a little bit bigger on the iPhone 12 versus the iPhone XR. And the iPhone 11 is, I think, identical to the XR, if from what I can perceive. Oops, next I'm doing. Alright guys, so that took around 30 minutes for my new phone to completely install the new update. Pretty easy, a little bit slow in my personal opinion, but I guess it's because I have 64 gigabytes of data, and I guess that's pretty fast. What's that? 30 minutes, 64, like 2 gigabytes per minute? I don't know, my math's not very good, but... Hi, this is me recording with the front-facing camera of the iPhone 12. It is super crystal clear. It is almost too clear for my liking because I just tried to send a Snapchat and you can literally see almost every pore of your face now. So it's really, really clear. You can even see in my foundation that I don't really do like a really thick foundation coat, so you can see like different colors. So it's very, very true tone. The lighting is very orange in my room right now because my fan is super, super orange. But overall, this quality is so good. It is crystal clear. I believe this has a 12 megapixel or something front-facing camera, so it's a huge upgrade from my iPhone XR, and I only wish that my MacBook Pro 2018 had as good of a front-facing camera because this is really good. Now I'm recording with, I think, the wide-angle camera. My room is super, super messy. I can't see myself because I'm recording with the back-facing camera. I'm just trying to let you guys see everything. I think it's really hard for me to make sure. I think this is literally amazing, so I might start vlogging with this. What do you guys think? Yeah. Sorry I'm not looking directly at the camera. Now I'm looking at the camera. I'm trying to make sure that I'm in frame because it's kind of hard for me to keep track, but the wide angle definitely helps a lot. So that was my unboxing of the iPhone 12. I hope you really enjoyed this video. I tried to make it really quick because I really like it when phone boxings are really quick. I got the white version. I think it's very nice. It's very classic color. And yeah, thanks for watching.